Silver prices in India surged to an all-time high on Monday, 19th January, as heightened global uncertainty prompted investors to flock towards safe haven assets. For the first time ever, silver futures breached the 3 lakh rupees per kilogram mark, driven by renewed concerns over global trade tensions following US President Donald Trump's threat to impose fresh tariffs on several European nations over the control of Greenland. On the multi-commodity exchange, MCX, silver futures for March delivery jumped sharply by 13,553 rupees or 4.71% to touch a record high of 3,01,315 rupee per kilogram, according to data reported by PTI. The strong rally underscores growing investor appetite for precious metals amid fears of geopolitical instability, inflationary pressures, and volatility in equity markets. Market analysts pointed out that silver has witnessed an extraordinary price rise over a short span. Since December 2025, silver prices have surged by nearly 50,000 rupee per kilogram, climbing rapidly from the 2 lakh rupees level to above 3 lakh rupees in just about a month. This steep rise highlights both strong safe haven demand and increasing speculative interest in the metal. The surge in silver prices comes at a time when global financial markets are facing renewed uncertainty. President Trump's tariff threats have revived fears of an escalating trade war between the US and Europe, potentially disrupting global trade flows and economic growth. As a result, investors are increasingly reallocating funds away from riskier assets such as equities and into traditional stores of value like gold and silver. In addition to geopolitical tensions, expectations of easing monetary policies by major central banks and a softer US dollar have also supported precious metal prices. Analysts believe that silver could remain volatile in the near term, with prices reacting sharply to global developments, currency movements, and macroeconomic data. Market participants are advised to remain cautious, as elevated price levels may also trigger profit booking at higher levels. BizShort in seconds, say what matters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such update.